Welcome to the SpotBot GL overview and setup guide. The SpotBot GL is the ideal solution for connecting you to your supply chain. Delivering tri-axial impact, temperature, and humidity monitoring along with location tracking, the SpotBot GL connects you to your assets via the SpotSee cloud. Log in to see the status of your shipment and receive alerts throughout its journey. Here is a quick overview on how to set up your new device. Each device is shipped with a card containing its registration token. Users can either scan the QR code or follow the link to register a new device. If this is your first time setting up your account, there are some simple first steps to take. New users will be prompted to set up a username and password as well as to define some basic preferences. If you already have an account, sign in and follow the prompts to add the new device. Once you set your device up, you will have access to the dashboard. This view provides an overview of the locations, assets, and consignments that you have set up. These items can be filtered by asset type and status. It also enables search for a specific asset. When the cursor is positioned over the left side of the dashboard, the navigation bar will appear. This menu allows you to choose the appropriate screens for configuration and visualization of assets, contracts, locations, consignments, and notifications. In the asset management screen, you will see a summary information for each of the devices. If you click the pin icon, you will be able to see your product on Google Maps. By clicking the blue eye icon, you will be able to see the full asset details, trip route, communication history, as well as temperature and humidity data. There are several configuration settings you can manage to track your shipment. For Wi-Fi, you can set a known network and add username and password to connect. This will allow you to have a connection where cellular service is limited. For airplane mode, you can set the time period when the device will be in flight, and cellular communication should not be used. The SpotBot GL keeps you connected to your supply chain every step of the way. For more information and to download the full user manual, please visit SpotSee.io. SpotSee and deliver with confidence.